Alright, here we have the Walnut Street Road crossing in Highland, Illinois. Got two gated signals and an extra gateless signal. That's pretty interesting. Here's the first signal. We got a SafeTran base, SafeTran gate mechanism, SafeTran 24-inch lights, emergency information, and NEG LED gate lights. Up here we got the pavement grade. Over here we got this signal. This is a pretty busy intersection and cars are coming from all directions, so I don't think I'm going to go over there, but pretty much it's the same exact thing with the bell. So we got SafeTran base, gate mechanism, lights, emergency information. We got a GS E-bell, probably type 2, and more either NEG or Rico LED gate lights. Then over here we got the interesting gateless side signal here. Yeah, this is something else. So we got clamp style base. Then we got one pair of SafeTran 24-inch lights. And you can see that this pole was rusty. They repainted it. It's kind of showing again already. Street view says it being super rusty. I have no idea what that. It's like they don't even have a cap or a pinnacle on it. It just kind of fills in on its own. You see what I mean? So this is the railroad crossing on Walnut Street in Highland, Illinois. Over and out.